So we're again celebrating our 4-year anniversary at the Nancy Danaher Wildlife Preserve. And we got some crazy evidence here today, but we're just saying hi. And look what I just found. Connecticut is the garnet state. These bumps, these are garnets in there, okay? Amaldine garnets, the finest amaldine garnets in the world. If you broke them open, you could probably get one. I bet if I looked, I could find a loose one. But you get the idea. Here we go, right here. This little guy. This little guy, if you polish him up, is a garnet. Please. Oh, we got some really compelling stuff today. And we'll see you out there.